Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, Maria is going to show you a super easy way to create a realistic smoke effect in Canva. Whether you're designing for social media, thumbnails, or creative projects, this trick will take your designs to the next level. Stay with Maria till the end because she'll be sharing a pro tip that will make your smoke effect look even more natural. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Maria's channel, and drop a comment to let us know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Let's get started!
Alright guys, so now we are here in Canva and I'm gonna show you how you can easily use smoke features inside of Canva. So to do that, there we go. We are here in Canva website, and for the sake of this tutorial I'm gonna use the video, and yes, click this video and they're going to give us this blank template. Okay, so now from now here we're going to make this template as you choose any color that you want. So I think I might choose maybe this blue one. All right, and then you go to your text and just write down whatever text that you want to create a smoke inside of it. So I'm just gonna do like a smoke effect. Okay, and then we're going to duplicate this, and now what we're gonna do to this one is go to the effects and then make the one that you duplicate into a halo. So we're going to put it back there. So there are two smoke effect, which is the hollow one and the first one that we did. And then next we're going to elements, and then we're going to type the smoke that you want. So it depends on the color of the smoke that you want. So I might use red. Okay, just type red ink here, and then you see there's so many inks here. So let's go to videos. There you go. Just to remind you guys that if you see this crown, you can only use this if you have a pro account. But if you're using a free account, you can choose the one that doesn't have crown. So to find out which one is free, you click this one here on the right top, and down here is free. Okay, click the free, and then let's see what smoke that you can get for free. All right, so now there you go. You can get this one. Oh, okay, this one too. You can get this one. You just play around, guys, and find the ink that you can use, cause if you are using a free account. I'm gonna get this one, and you see the smoke is coming out, right? So after you get this one, guys, let's go here and let's remove the background. All right, so the background has removed, and then we're going to fix the layer, okay, so that we can see the smoke coming into the text. So to do that, let's go to the layer and show layers. There you go. So here is the background, right? This is the background, and here is the effect, the smoke effect. So we're gonna put this one here in the middle, just like that, and then let's see, and then we're gonna play this one. Let's play it. Okay, there you go. So you see the effect is going out of your smoke effect once the smoke comes out. You see? All right, so now there you go. Then you can create this simple introduction for your videos or simple effect. It depends on what text that you want to put your smoke effect. Okay, so now let's go back to pro account. So if you have a pro account, you have a lot of features to choose from. You can always change the background. So let's change the background for this. All right, so down next we're going to the elements. Let's say purple ink. Oh, there's so many here, guys. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try this purple ink. And then we're going to remove the background. All right, so don't forget to remove the background, guys, so that you can see the effect. So when I'm going to play this one, let's see if this in the layers. Okay, so now we're going to put this here on top, and then we're going to play this, and let's see the effects for this purple ink. Okay, let's do this. There you go. So now you see the effect is coming out but not for all of this. But you know, there's a timing where you can see that, you know, letters are changing. All right, so if you don't like this, then you can just delete it. You can change the color of your background here. Okay, let's say other colors just like that. Okay, let's say yellow ink. Okay, let's find yellow ink for videos. Okay, let's get this one. All right, so now let's remove the background, and let's go to layers. Okay, let's put this in the middle, and now let's see how it looks like. Let's play with it. So now you see, guys, the effect change, right? So the smoke goes inside the text, inside the letters, and you see the effect. So this is how you can create a smoke effect into your text. Or if you're creating any, you know, any intro video or a short video, then if you want to put some smoke into the text or letters of your videos, then there you go. Here in Canva, you can use a smoke effect. If you have a free account, then I've already showed you how you can do that if you don't have a pro account. And if you have a pro account, then you have a lot of features that you can choose from. Just type the colors that you want for your text effect. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope this helped, and if you have any question, just write down in the comments and I'll make sure that I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Subscribe to my channel, and for all my subscribers, always thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.